Okay, Jai Hind friends, welcome to the new topic that is polynomial. In this video, we are going to learn, as it is our first class, so we will try to understand what is polynomial, how many types of polynomial, what are the degree of the polynomial. So I have categorized into 6 parts. That will be the introduction for the polynomial. It is very important class, so don't miss and try to make a note of it. First one, definition of the polynomial. What do you mean by polynomial? So let me note it down here. Definition is, it is first answer will be algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. It is an algebraic expression with only one condition is there, and degree will be whole number. Now let me explain you what is a whole number. I think each and everyone know also. Whole number means the value that is going to be started from 0 to infinity, and there shouldn't be any type of negative at all. So whole number degree. For example, I am telling you what do you mean by degree, what is whole number and everything. Now algebraic expression, the degree will be whole number. Up to here you understand the definition. I will explain you later stage what are the types and everything. Second, it will come what is the degree of the polynomial. Degree means what? Degree means normally degree means power. Degree, or else we can say order or power. There are multiple synonyms of that. What is that? Let me explain you. First thing, suppose I am writing x, variable it is. X to the power 0, one condition can be there. Because it is a whole number. Degree will be how much? Whole number. X power 0 I can write. Very good. Next, x power 1 I can note it down. That is also, this is also one equation. Or else this is one variable, algebraic expression, x power 0. Next it can be x power 1. Next it can be x power 2. Next it can be x power 3. Let it be x power 0. Anything to the power 0 will be what here? That will be 1. Anything to the power 0. So if I am writing any expression, if the highest power is 0, then I will not consider as is any degree over there. That is a constant. If anything to the power 0 will be how much here? That will be 1. And so this value we call as a constant. Now next, x to the power 1. X to the power 1 means it has some value. I don't know what is the variable value, correct or not? Either it can be x power 1, or else another form also we can write. For example, we can write x plus 3. Here also, what is the highest power of the variable? Here we need to check only the variable highest power. Algebraic expression and the degree of the variable. Here we forget to mention degree will be whole number of variable. Let me note it down. Means highest power of the variable x power 1. What is the value x power 1? That will be x only, and x I can put anything. X plus 3 also I can note it down. 3x plus 4 y also I can note it down like that, because highest degree of the variable is how much? 1 only. So this type of values where the highest degree means you check the power. X power how much? Nothing given over there, means we will assume it is 1. We will not assume it is at 0, because anything to the power 0 will be 1. So we will consider here x, nothing given than x to the power 1 only. In this entire expression, algebraic expression, this is known as algebraic expression. Highest power how much? 1 only. Here highest power how much? Only 1, because x also contains 1, y also contains 1. So this type of equation we call as a linear. Linear means the highest degree should be 1. Second, x square I can note it down. I can note it down like that also. X square plus 3x, because here highest degree I need to consider. X has power 1, no doubt, but x square is how much? 2. So highest degree will be 2. Next again I can note it down here. X square plus 3x plus 4. In this entire algebraic expression also, what is the highest degree? Highest degree is 2 only. So if I need to check the highest degree 2 means it is known as quadratic equation. In this we can mention that algebraic expression and the degree will be whole number of the variable, means highest degree. We can say highest degree will be the whole number of the variable. X square. Similarly, x cube. I can note it down here. X cube plus 3x. Then also in between that 2. What is the highest degree? Highest degree is 3. X power I will check 3. Next I can write here x cube plus 3x square plus 4x. Then also what is the entire equation? What is the highest degree? Highest degree is 3 only, because I need to check their highest power. Here 2 is there, more than 2, 1 and 3 is greater over there. This type of equation we call as a cubic equation. Now you can ask me, sir, up to here it will finish? No doubt, it will carry on. Next, x power 4 is also there, x power 5 is also there, and so on. And as per that, the names are given. X power 4 it will call as a biquadratic equation. Biquadratic. X power 4 means degree value, highest degree will be 4, then we call as a biquadratic. So these are the degree as I mentioned here. Highest power 1, highest power 0, then it will be called as a constant. Highest power 1 we call as a linear. Highest power 2 we call as a quadratic. Highest power 3 we call as a cubic. Highest power 4 we call as a biquadratic, and so on. Now the condition will arise, sir, can it be possible x to the power minus 1? Yes or no? So derivative x to the power minus 1 is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because already in an algebraic expression and the highest degree will be whole number of the variable. Highest degree should be whole number, it can't go up to negative. So highest power is whole number, because I got here negative, so it is not possible. So minus 1, that is not possible. The minimum it can go up to 0, and it can't go up beyond 0. It should be positive, otherwise it should be 0. Now let us go to the next parameter. What is zeros of the polynomial? Now zeros of the polynomial, how to note it down? It will be given, for example, px is equal to, I am writing here 3x plus 4. Can you tell me what is the equation? It is the linear equation, because highest power is 1. Now they will tell that in your question paper, find the zeros of the polynomial. Now zeros of the polynomial is what? What will be the value of x, so that I will get the answer 0. Now how I can determine? So I will take this output, we call as a output. We will take this output as a 0, then we will find out 3x plus 4. Now we don't know what is the value I will put here, then I will get 0. So for that, how we are going to solve? This is a question, we need to find out the zeros, then we will solve here. We will take output as a 0, 3x plus 1, 3x plus 4. Plus 4 I will send left side, minus 4 is equal to 3x. Now 3 will be multiplied, minus 3x is equal to minus 4 by 3 equal to x. This value we got, this value is the zeros we call. Why we call this value as a zeros? Now let us check this value whether it is working or not. So p of minus 4 by 3 equal to 3 of x plus 4. Now in place of x, how much I wanted to put? Minus 4 by 3. Now let us put 3 into minus 4 by 3 plus 4 equal to 3 cancel, minus 4 plus 4, answer how much? 0. So we need to find out the value of x, so that we will substitute into it and we should get the answer as a 0. So this is known as zeros of the polynomial.